The magic lightning effects in Hocus Pocus 2 are weirdly lame. If they only would have seen Hocus Pocus 1, where the lightning effects were amazing. Let's compare them. In Hocus Pocus 2, most of the time, the lightning is just the ray coming out of the hand or the finger, and that's it. There's not much before and after the actual magic. If there is a little bit of anticipation, it's like weirdly blurry and undefined. There's not a lot of fun animation here with stray lightning lines or anything like that. Compare this to this moment in Hocus Pocus 1, where there's lightning already between her fingers. When the ray comes out, there's a little bit of an initial flare. Then on impact, there are stray lines there, and the lightning goes through his body and even the surrounding, which makes a lot of sense because that's what lightning does. But the action doesn't end here. It's not just that one ray. She shoots again, which causes that spin, and then when he's kneeling on the ground, she has this last little flourish, which is like the icing on the cake that makes him tip over. So Winifred is showing a lot of control here and is having fun with this lightning spell. And Hocus Pocus 2 just gives us this. However, I do actually think this is not an animator's or VFX person's mistake. I think this is something that the director or at least the VFX supervisor should have thought about on set. Somebody needed to come up with that choreography, and that just didn't seem to happen in the second movie. The first film just had these little creative ideas. Here, Winifred is blowing onto her fingers after a spell, then she uses the lightning to drag Max across the ground, and this "you there" moment is one of my favorite moments in the whole film. Then she uses the lightning to spin him around, and the lightning in this moment looks very curvy and spirally, and then she goes full on lightning rays to lift him up. But even here you can see stray lines, you can see there are lines bunching up where he's holding his stomach, like the lightning is reacting to the body, to the surroundings. In this moment in the second movie, she opens a trap door. This could have been a great, cool effect of her like pulling the door open or something like this. No, it's just like a one little bit of lightning coming out of her finger. Boring. So what can we learn for your own magic lightning VFX? Well, try to make it fun. Try to give it multiple phases that you can think about and do some cool stuff with the lightning before and after the actual ray hits. And with some choreography and attention to detail, your lightning effects could be amazing. With this being said, happy Halloween and keep on animating.